Hi, in this video we're going to be looking at the number object. So all I've done here is I'm running PD, I've got a new patch up and a number object we can put into here by clicking put, and then it is this third one there. So if I click on number, and then it allows me to put a number into this object here. And we'll also add another object. We'll have a print, so just so that we can actually see what's actually happening there. So a number object has the little corner sort of knocked away so we can actually see it, and this is something that we can click when it's in edit mode, and obviously it stores a number. So if I join that to print, and then if I put this into out of edit mode, I now have an object which is collected there. Now, as it's a number object, to get it to output, what I need to do is to left click on the object, and then I can move my mouse up or down, and that will cause the number to actually change in here, and then it would actually send that number on this output. So that would go to wherever this is actually connected to. So I can click on this and I can move it up, or I can sort of move it down from this area there. So it's a fairly sort of good thing for actually storing numbers, obviously. Now if I take this out of edit mode, I take this into edit mode, there are various things that we can do to this number, and we do that through the properties box. So if I get into edit mode and then right click on the object I want to change, you'll now notice we've got the help, but we've also got a properties box there. And what this does, it comes up with a little box here, and this allows us to change how this number works. And the main thing that we can do here is we can then set limits to our number when it's changing. So we could set the lowest number, so we'll say our lowest number we can have is 10, and our highest number is 100. And then if I click apply and OK, so now when I go into edit mode, out of edit mode, so we'll go click on that, and now we'll see when I change this, so if I go down, we'll see that we cannot, doesn't matter how many times I try, I cannot get a number, this to respond to a number less than 10. And then if we move this up, we can't actually go above number 10. So this is useful if it stops us sort of putting in erroneous data. So if I take this out of edit mode and then right click on the properties again, we can also do things like we can set it to be a negative number. So now my box will respond between -10 and +10. So click on apply and OK. So now if I go out of edit mode, and then you'll notice that I've ranged this number. So that's just a short introduction to the number object.